Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see prepositions. This is Miss Gladys Machado. As you can see here, we have some pictures that represent the prepositions. Okay, now we are going to see, for example, one preposition and then the opposite. I mean, talking about the meaning. You see, the pictures are going to help you to remember the meaning of each one. Here we have up, down is the opposite. And in the picture, you have represented the meaning of the action. Back, away, on, off, in, out, up, down, back, away, on, off, in, out. And with the arrows, we're going to see up, down, back, away. I hope that everything was clear, and this is another way that you are going to have to remember the prepositions and the meaning of each one. Thank you very much. See you next time.